For this video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect answer from ChatGPT, like this right here, using precision prompts. Precision prompts are specific instructions or questions that you provide to ChatGPT to get the most accurate and relevant responses. Now let's see how precision prompts work in action. So let's say I want to bake some cookies for my great-grandmother. Let's ask ChatGPT for help. Instead of simply asking for the recipe, why not specify the prompt by including the cookies to be designed 70s inspired? For instance, I want to incorporate that nostalgic feeling for my great-grandmother. So let's hit send and let's see how ChatGPT generates. Here, by specifying your prompt with the details you aimed for, ChatGPT has tailored a more precise result, depending until you are satisfied with the results, just like this one, how ChatGPT generates the full recipe right here. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Another method that will improve ChatGPT's responses is asking for follow-up questions. Usually, following up might take a bit more time, but there's a simpler way to do so. What you'll do is have ChatGPT provide follow-up questions for you at the end of your prompt. For instance, right here, I will ask using the same prompt, this one, but this time I will put up this sentence right here at the end of my prompt, which is, but first, provide me follow-up questions that will improve the response you will be giving me. So let's see how it responds. So as you'll see right here, ChatGPT did not immediately provide me the recipe, but instead a list of follow-up questions down here, just so it can clarify what I asked. So now that I just typed in what I reassured to ChatGPT's follow-up questions, like the ones right here I just typed just now, click or press enter to send in your follow-up prompt. So, as you'll see, the results have shown to become more relevant and accurate to what you've asked. And with that, this is how you'll be able to get the perfect answer with precision prompts using ChatGPT.